Assuming you're searching for Velo cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Velo will go from here on out, we will examine the previous costs of Velo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Velo is $181 and Velo is at present positioned #346 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Velo is 7,394 at 75,595 with a market cap of $133,825,818. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 734% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Velo is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Velo is down to nearly 14–15% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. We anticipate future Velo cost expectations. Velo estimate by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Velo. We give our all to gather greatest verifiable information for the Velo coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Velo market cap, Velo volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Velo value forecast rundown. Velo is right now evaluated at $181 on the lookout. The typical extended cost for Velo in 2025 is supposed to be $0.364, with expected change somewhere in the range of $0.354 and $0.40. Our Velo long haul estimate for 2050 proposes Velo possibly going somewhere in the range of $1.185 and $2.98. Velo is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $0.29 and $0.69 constantly 2030. The cost of one Velo would reach as high as $14.63 by 2040. Velo value forecast 2024. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Velo is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $233. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $259 with the typical worth of $241. Velo value expectation 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Velo, in 2025 the cost of Velo is determined to be at around a base worth of $354. The Velo value worth can arrive at a limit of $443 with the typical exchanging worth of $364 in USD. Velo value conjecture for 2026. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $524 in 2026. The Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $613 with the typical exchanging cost of $539 all through 2026. Velo value expectation 2027. Velo cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $776 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $933 with the typical conjecture cost of $798. Velo value expectation 2028. Velo cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1.173 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.1329 with the typical gauge cost of $1.1205. Velo value expectation 2029. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $1.691 in 2029. The Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.62 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.751 all through 2029. Velo value expectation 2030. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at least degree of $2450 in 2030. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2969 with the typical cost of $2520 all through 2030. Velo value estimate 231. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, In 2031, the cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at least degree of $1.491. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $4,203 with the typical exchanging cost of $592. Velo value expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Velo, in 2032 the cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $48.90. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.639 with the typical exchanging cost of $5.70. Velo value expectation 2033. The cost of one Velo is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.6970 in 2033. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $25.19 with the typical cost of $0.7224 all through 2033. Velo value gauge 2040. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or enterprises can contribute fundamentally to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Velo cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $11.77 and can reach as high as $14.63 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $12.74. Velo value conjecture for 2050. The reception and true use instances of a digital currency are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with useful applications and broad reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Velo cost conjecture for 2050, Velo is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $20.98 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of Velo coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $18.5. While the typical cost of the Velo for 2050 is projected to be $18.91. Velo value conjecture facts. Is Velo a wise venture? Velo's worth is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will in general empower cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the greatest examination conceivable. What will be the Velo most elevated estimate cost for 2024? The Velo cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.0259 toward the finish of 2024. What is the eventual fate of Velo? The fate of Velo is profoundly reliant upon the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Velo, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right technique. This kind of venture isn't appropriate for those with an awry gamble profile. Notwithstanding, still a brilliant speculation for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, Velo likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing environment. What is the Velo cost today? Today, Velo is exchanging at $0.0181 with the market cap of $133,825,818. How high could Velo at any point go? The typical cost of Velo could go to $241 before the current